What's up guys, Chigs here from Chigs Tech Reviews. Today I got my hands on the Zeblaze Vibe 3 ECG. Now this is a very affordable, tough, rugged fitness smartwatch priced just under $50, and it has a built-in ECG. So I can't wait to see how this one works. Inside the box you will find a user manual and a magnetic USB charger. Now the watch body itself is made from a combination of stainless steel and rubberized plastic, and on the front we have a 1.2 inch IPS screen with a resolution of 240 by 240. You also have Bluetooth version 4, a custom basic OS which is compatible with both your Android and iOS device. Furthermore, you have a 180 mAh battery which promises a 7-day battery life. You have IP67 rating, so it's good for water and dust resistance. So I believe you can wash your hands with this and use it in the rain, but you cannot submerge this in water, so you're not going swimming with this watch. Now the watch dimensions are 50 millimeters in diameter, and it's 14.5 millimeters in thickness and weighs 74.2 grams. Now you do have silicone straps finished in black, and the straps are not removable. Now on the side of the watch we have our power button, an ECG button, and on this side we have our mode button or mode switch, and over here we have another ECG button. So when you measure an ECG you'll be pressing these two buttons at the same time. So we will be testing that out shortly. Now at the bottom we have a heart rate sensor and your charger pins. I'll quickly show you the charger connection. It is a magnetic charger. It does connect quite easily. It's not the most stable, so it can be pulled off, but nevertheless it will charge up your watch in about 1.5 hours. Furthermore, there is no Wi-Fi, no GPS, no NFC or a SIM card slot. So this is basically a fitness watch, and it needs to be connected via Bluetooth to either your iOS or Android smartphone. And the main functions of these watch are all-day activity tracking with calorie and distance info. You have notification and alarms, sleep monitoring, and lots more. You can also connect to your smartphone via the smartphone app to get detailed information on your health activities. Now you do have screen on hand raising, but it's not in the regular hand raise motion. You have to actually flick your wrist, and when you do that it's on before you complete the flick. So it works a bit differently than other smartwatches, but I like it. So you do have a very fast screen on hand flick. Okay, so we are now going to test out the heart rate and the ECG features. So if we first of all begin with the heart rate, so we got a reading of 69, and you can see on the Apple Watch it's 64, 68. So I would say we have quite an accurate heart rate sensor in this watch. Next thing we want to do is ECG. I'll do them one at a time. So let's open up ECG. We're keeping these two pressed. Let's get a reading. Okay, so it's done. The analysis has been sent to the app. So if I go to health, no abnormalities, and you can click start playback, and it will show you the ECG that got recorded. You can get a detailed report. Over here it tells you your physical fitness, cardiac function, and physical mental load. So that's the health index, health report, the entire ECG that we just took. I've got no way of checking how accurate this is, as Apple does it slightly differently, and let's just do it on the Apple Watch. So over here it says sinus rhythm 69 beats per minute average. Here are both of the ECGs side by side. So there you have it guys, that was the Zeblaze Vibe 3 ECG. Now this is another affordable fitness smartwatch by Zeblaze, who are constantly updating the Vibe series, and I have been following this series for quite a while. Now this new model brings us ECG, and I have to say you do have a very accurate heart rate sensor, and if we're going by that, then the ECG does look quite convincing. It does give you full health reports, and I really do like how the smartphone app lays out its information. Now for the price of $43 or £33 in the UK, this watch is certainly bang for your buck. And with that being said, I will leave the links in the description so you guys can check this product out. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one, guys.